Hi everyone, welcome back to Roaming Viddler's YouTube channel. September last year, Habitation check down at our good friends at Highbridge Caravans down in Somerset. Significant water ingress was found in our habitation. It wasn't something we'd spotted ourselves. It wasn't like there was water running down the walls or anything like that, but obviously, you know, these guys know where to look. They're Chausson dealers, so they know exactly where they're looking and they know where the issue points are. So the problem on ours this time was behind the driver's side, on this side of the motorhome, behind the driver's side, a water ingress has come through from the outside. So this point here was absolutely saturated with a moisture check. It was 25% moisture, so that's not good, obviously. When you can check these things yourself, purchase yourself, you know, they're not expensive, I don't know, 20-25 quid or something like that, a moisture meter, and you know, check it yourself. So you can prod around and check your moisture content. As you can see now, we're only 0.2%, so problem solved, as they say. However, I'll show you where it was coming in and what they've actually done to repair it when a repair has been taking place. So they removed the entire window as well here, so they must have spotted something coming in there as well, because initially they thought it was just getting down past this seal here and behind this panelling. So the repair, yeah, they had it for a week or so because it's quite a big repair. They're under warranty, so providing you keep your habitation check up to date, yeah, you've got a warranty for water ingress up to 7 years, I think it is. So it's worth keeping your warranties up to date. So this entire panel here has to be removed, and they've done whatever they had to do behind there to reseal it and get rid of the damp. As I say, they also completely took this window out and resealed around it. So it's worth having your habitation checked done. I know some people say, oh, you're not paying 300 quid a year, but your warranties run out if you don't keep it up to date. You void your warranty. So, and take it to a dealer that knows what they're looking at. I mean, some of these other dealers, they might not be Chausson dealers, they might not necessarily know where to look. So so that's my recommendation. So yeah, problem solved now, all fixed. Happy days. See you on the next video.